every home wants a recliner. Every home needs that. It's the comfortable place to watch TV or just lay out and snuggle.
And chill and watch TV, right. You know, that department has grown so big for us. We've actually dedicated half of our floor space to reclining stuff. So whether it's sectionals, couches, or just plain recliners, we have a huge selection of them.
Well, we all need them, we all want them, but there is a reason why you might want to get one here at U+I and know what you're getting and know the service that comes with them, because with every mechanism there might be an issue.
Right. One of the main lines we carry is Lane. Great company. It's made in Tupelo, Mississippi, so that is made here in the United States. So a lot of people say, well, why is that such a big feature? Well, it's not imported. The fact that they are made here, they're going to be a higher quality product, and it's something that we're going to be able to service. So, man, lifetime warranty on the frame or the springs. You're not going to get better than that.
I got to tell you a story. So I tried out a recliner that was cheap. It lasted 3 months. Had some issues. Called the person back. Nothing they could do for me. Sorry, it's kind of what you paid for. Like, really?
Yeah,
really?
Yeah, we hear things like that almost weekly, and it just drives me nuts to hear how much they're selling that product for, and when it breaks, you can't even fix it because it's so poorly made.
Okay, well, this one, lifetime warranty. This is gorgeous. This is a Lane, and the sofa is $12.49.
Right. So the cool thing about this one is it's leather. It's going to have the power motion, so it's reclining with motorized unit in it. Some people really like that idea, and some people don't. So the nice thing about Lane is it's completely optional. So you can get it, or you don't have to get it. So it's really of a cool feature.
And this one has a double recline, which is nice because there's this always time when my husband, my son, and I are on the recliner, and the two ends go up, but the middle one doesn't. So that poor middle guy.
You're left out.
Let's walk over and look at another one.
Okay.
So this one being Lane, not leather, but fabric, is another affordable option.
Certainly. This is actually a really popular style simply because it doesn't look like it reclines, but it does. So it's got the nice sculpt front with the nice rolled arms. The nice thing, once again, with Lane is if you want it in leather, you can order it that way. Once again, if you want it in fabric, hundreds of different fabrics. And once again, motorized or not. And what I have here, once again, this kind of goes back to why buy Lane. They're putting these microcoils in the coil spring, or the coil springs in the cushion core. That's going to strengthen the cushion 50%. So if you ever sat on someone's couch where your butt hits the floor, this is not going to do that. It's going to hold its shape. So whether you're heavy set or lighter, this is going to be definitely a huge selling feature on Lane, just simply because how strong it is.
I'm so excited because that is only $99 more than that cheap piece that I bought that went to the trash. That this one, all three recline, or just the two ends?
Two ends on this particular style. We have others that in the middle do. But
and what I love about this one too is it's smaller and not overstuffed. It'll fit into a smaller size. This might be the one I take home.
Right, you're right. You know what? You can talk blue in the face and give me a furniture store that says they sell things cheaper than anybody else. I mean, everybody claims that.
Well, but you know what? There are some that do, but why is that? Because it's not good quality, right?
Right, exactly. So, you know, you can really save money two ways, or have better pricing. You know, you can either bring in cheap furniture and overseas, or you can just have lower overhead. We've been here over 80 years, same family that's run it this entire time, so our overhead is next to none. So when anybody else claims they've got lower overhead, well, it's not going to be as low as ours. So
okay, gotta love that. Now, so this is Lane fabric, Lane leather. Let's walk over this way because you carry other brands.
Yes.
And let's show this one. That one's kind of got that manly look to it with the wide stitching and whatnot.
Right. You know, the contrasting stitch on this, I'm not sure if you can catch that on TV or not, but that is getting really popular as well. In fact, we have a black sectional with the white striping that's really hot as well, so that's really popular.
Now I must say though, this not being Lane, you will still honor and service if there is a problem, right?
Right. You know, every single thing that I sell, I service. So whether you buy something that's going to be a little bit more affordable or some of our nicer products, I'm still going to be able to give you service.
And you're really going to probably lead us. I have a son that's a big boy, and that could have been probably part of the problem with that other one, that mechanism going up, and he's, you know,
Right.
260 pounds, whatever. So maybe you would have said, Laura, this isn't the one for you. Let's
Right.
lead you to this direction.
Right, you know, we're all about being honest. If it's not going to fit, it's not going to fit, and we're going to mention that. So we are certainly going to try to educate the people that come in. This is what this feature has, and of course this couch is this one. So yeah.
Well, you've got such a variety, a huge selection, and then you can order in things that you might not have on the floor.
Right. So, you know, if you like a certain style, boy, hundreds and thousands of different choices.
Well, I'm liking a certain couple styles over there, Bryce. Thanks so much.
You
Right
bet.
here at You and I.
Thank you.